Hi everyone, this step-by-step tutorial video will show you how to convert PNG to SVG in Photopea. If you're ready, as the first step, import your PNG image into Photopea. Then click the Image tab in the menu above and select Vectorize Bitmap. In this section, the image on the left is the original PNG file, and the image on the right is a preview of its vector version. You can select the settings above as you wish based on the preview. After customizing the settings as you wish, click the OK button. Next step, click File from the menu above. Hover your mouse cursor over Export As and select SVG. In this section, you can change the export settings as you wish. Finally, click the Save button. As you can see, the PNG file has been successfully converted to SVG format and downloaded. If this step-by-step guide video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day!